Very good morning to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to describe the summary of a new chapter, that is The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. There are only two characters in this story, Anil and Hari. Anil is a 25-year young man, whereas Hari is a 15-year-old boy. There are vast differences between both of them. Hari, who plays the role of a thief in this chapter, he keeps on changing his name in order to escape from the police. And Anil does irregular jobs. He does not have a fixed payment. He earns money by writing. One day, what happens? Anil was watching a wrestling match. Hari fortunately reaches over there. Hari was in a mood to take the advantage of innocent people and loot them. This is what happened when Anil was watching this wrestling match. Hari saw Anil and thought that Anil would definitely be fooled by him, and this is what happened. This 15-year-old boy asked Anil for some kind of a work. Anil was already doing irregular jobs, so it was very difficult for him to provide any kind of job to Hari. But again, the same thing, that feeling of sympathy and pity arose in Anil. Anil said that you can come to my house. I won't be able to pay you any amount, but I promise to feed you. Now, Hari's negative intentions were at peak. What Hari thought that he would be practicing a kind of theft in the house of Anil. Hari lied at that point of time that he knows how to cook. And later on, what happened when Hari cooked, the food was absurd. Anil did not even try to eat the entire food, but he did not scold Hari. He said that fine, I will teach you how to cook, how to read, and how to write. In the meanwhile, Hari, your task is to go and get the groceries from the market. Hari had so many negative intentions in his mind that Anil was thinking positive for him and Hari was completely negative. Hari thought that in case if I come to know how to read and write, in future he would be earning more money, and that too negatively by stealing and all. Second thing, when Anil said that you can go and get the groceries, Hari started to steal 1 rupee daily. One day, Anil, he earned 600 by selling a book, so he got that money. Hari saw a bundle of notes and then he thought that he is going to implement his plan now. He had the keys to Anil's door. Anil kept that 600 rupees under his pillow. Yes, Hari had stolen that amount and he escaped. But now there is a twist in this chapter. When Hari had stolen this amount and he escaped to the railway station, first of all, to straight away escape from the city, he was sitting and it suddenly started raining. The currency notes that he was carrying were in 50 rupees. In 50 rupees means total amount was 600, but all the currency notes were 50 rupees. They got wet. All of a sudden, what came into Hari's mind was a kind of a transformation. He thought that Anil is such a kind, noble man. He kept on training Hari even though he knew his faults. Hari did not know how to cook. Anil did not say anything. Rather, he tried to teach him and train him how to cook, read and write. Anil also never scolded him for anything. He kept on stealing 1 rupee. Though Anil did not knew this. He was not aware of this. He did not know about this. But still, he never uttered a word. So this feeling of sympathy and pity towards Hari, at that point of time when he was sitting at the station, he was going to board his train, he did not escape from there. A sudden feeling of becoming a protagonist arose in Hari. He did not steal that amount, he did not escape. He returned and he kept that amount over there. The next day, Anil approached Hari, and the currency notes that he was carrying were drenched. Hari thought that Anil has come to know about it, that how come the currency notes got wet. But fortunately, Anil did not utter a word against Hari. That was shocking and amazing for Hari. Rather, he said that, Hari, from now I would be giving you 50 rupees daily. And the reason is still, the chapter ends at a suspicious note. Indirectly, Anil says that the task that you have done, for this you would be getting 50 rupees daily. And what is the task? I would like to go towards the background of this story. Yes, Anil had come to know about the reality. Because then how come the currency notes got wet? And Anil also knows that Hari has turned to be honest now. And this was his reward. Therefore, this is the reason Anil promised him to give 50 rupees daily. Because Hari really deserved it. A protagonist arose in him. This is all about the chapter. Thank you so much.